Hello everyone, JFX here. This is a broad analysis on what is happening on EURUSD monthly and weekly time frame. Alright, so first of all, I'm showing what I see on the monthly time frame. Then we would move forward to the weekly. As you can see, the highlighted areas here are supply and demand areas. Using technical analysis that we can identify. To observe what is happening within the structure. Now, from current observation, we can see we had a break of structure here. Price was, on an uptrend, then we had a downtrend. So that's a break of structure to the downside. But on current data, which would be paying attention to what's happening over here. Okay, so on that, we can see the previous internal structure showed some bearish sign, which is reacting off this supply zone. So that is to say we had a stop hunt over here and then a change of character over here. So this is a mitigation, creating a higher high, mitigating this area of interest. Then we had a lower low, which signifies a break of structure to the downside. So what we are saying is ultimately we are expecting a downtrend now, but from the current observation we can see price is giving a U-turn to the upside, which is this price action we're seeing here. But outside that, price already created a lower high, which is to be expecting is a lower low. So but if a change of character is coming up, and then we are to say, let's say price is now bullish and is changing bias, which is basically a change of character, we can say there's every possibility that this demand zone, which is resting right there, is likely going to hold price to clear out this high. Why did I say so? Because from what we can see, the low that created this high, which is this, failed to break. So which means the price action is changing direction. Normally we would have been expecting more of something like this, to confirm that we're on a bearish trend. So that is this forming, and then something like this. But that did not happen. What are we seeing instead? We are seeing price is giving a U-turn, and this could become potential liquidity. So the uptrend we're seeing right now, there's every tendency that it could last for the long run, taking price above this figure. All right, so you can easily do this on your MT4, your MT4 chart, and you can easily analyze the market this easily to get a broad understanding of what's going on. So all I'm doing is something everyone can do themselves. I'm just doing this to give those who need a proper review, of what's happening, or those who are not understanding the trend. So this is basically what I see on the monthly time frame. So if I were to trade at the moment, which I'm not doing, I would say I would be looking for buying opportunities from this previous bearish candle. So the previous month was bearish, and this month is just starting, and we are seeing a lot of bullish momentum in the market already, and it could be probably taking out this high anytime soon, or we could be seeing price reversing after taking out this high. So the two targets we have within the range price could be going for is to clear out this, then we see some drop, either to test this area of interest and then continue the trend to clear that out, or we could be seeing something like price clearing out this, mitigate this, clear out this, then we see price going back down. But ultimately we cannot tell. For now we can only wait till the entire process is done, and then we can properly identify that price has given a proper confirmation. But for now, the monthly is extremely bullish, and I don't see any reason why anybody will be looking to swing any sell positions anytime soon. Okay, so for the weekly time frame, this is on my MT4 now, not a screenshot. As you can see, the areas which I identified on the monthly time frame are the same areas which are still highlighted here. So from the understanding, we knew that this high, hold on, let me get a tool that would help me identify those areas. Okay, so this high, and this over here are the current internal structures. All right, so the highs which we identified that price could be clearing at any time soon are this one and this one. Okay, so the main reason we say those highs could be potential liquidities because, as you can see, they are both. This one over here is a weak high. All right, that's a weak high because it failed to create a lower low. You see? Okay, so this is the weekly time frame. All right, this is the weekly time frame on a screenshot. So looking at this was the area I just identified for you, the weekly internal structure. And as you can see, it was supposed to be bearish, forming a proper price action, and then we had a U-turn. All right, so that U-turn was engineered by this demand zone we see over here, and is currently clearing out this high, which is not supposed to do that except it's a change of character. So I think we can boldly say we have a change of character, but it's not confirmed yet until this high is cleared out. Once that high is cleared out, then we can say there's every tendency that price has gone completely bullish, and then we cannot agree that EURUSD is bullish at the moment. But right now we can see the price action which markets used to create this particular momentum. It's not really that nice. It's not really something I can say can be trusted as a trend. Most of the times these are influenced by fundamentals or maybe casualties in the market. As we can see, we have the US elections coming up, and with the incidents all happening around, discussing some fuel in the market. So you can see the impulsive moves which this is creating over here, and that is what is causing the current rise in the market. So as you can see, the previous week before that, the price action wasn't also very nice. So we can say this imbalance which is currently being caused around this area is due to the fundamental influence. All right, and we all know fundamental influence are reasons for price to move in a certain direction or something. So this could be the influence which price is using to change direction at the moment. So yes, it's possible that the market has gone completely bullish, and if you're looking to trade, it's advisable that you wait for price to clear out this high at the moment, before you could say you're looking for buys, because for all we can tell is, and there's still every possibility that price could drop from this point, because if price decides to clear this out as liquidity, as a quick stop hunt, and then decides to drop from here, is perfectly possible. But the possibility of this is also very, very low, due to the economy and the political influence of the market as well. So I can't really give that predictions yet. But understanding this, we also know that on the monthly time frame, this is also a weak high. That's also a weak high. So we can't really tell weak high. Okay, so we can't really tell if this would hold against the structure, or the initial intentions of the market now is to create a new higher high, to continue the trend of the monthly time frame. That is something like this, the line chart. All right, so as you can see, that means we're completely bullish, and anybody selling now will just be liquidity to the market. So this is what I see happening on EURUSD, and for now I would suggest we probably wait, to see the movement of the market properly before we give any formal predictions of the direction of the market. So subscribe for more analysis like this, and maybe give a pair below you would like me to look into. For now, I'm not trading. I'm taking a week or two off so I could fix some other stuff as well. So I will be doing more of this analysis when I'm free.